Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce sixième épisode de l'aventure Enderal. Donc, on se retrouve au Temple du Soleil, dans les dortoirs, après avoir passé une épreuve pour intégrer le Saint-Ordre. Donc, avec Kalia, notre partenaire, une personne avec qui on a effectué l'épreuve, on va se rendre à l'Emporium pour aller revoir Théalor Arantheal, le grand maître du Saint-Ordre, et finir notre formation, entre guillemets, pour devenir enfin des gardiens de l'ordre.
You should reclaim your gear before we leave.
C'est exactement ce que j'allais faire.
Well then, let's go.
Je suis habillé comment? Je sais pas s'il faut que je me change. Bon, on s'en fout. Je te suis. On y va? Allez. Ah oui, je crois qu'elle devait nous faire faire une petite visite avant d'aller rejoindre Théalor. Je suis plus sûr. Ah, c'est bien possible.
Walk blessed.
Alright, this is the sanctum. It's a place of silence and prayer, and also where we'll be exalted later.
And thy path I will honor in life as in death.
My sir,
Where is this supposed to lead?
Toujours aussi génial, ces phases de... quand on doit suivre un PNJ, quoi. Toujours aussi chiant.
Okay, I think you've seen this place before. We call this part of the temple the Chronicum, and in here is gathered the knowledge of the Order, written down in books and parchments. Plus, all of the experiments and research on artifacts and magic is done here. So it's a place you'll probably see often in the near future. Ah, and just below the Chronicum is the temple smithy. You should go there if you need equipment.
Ah bah oui.
Over there, that's the Scuola and the quarters, where both the keepers and the novices live. There's also a training room where everything from swordplay to marksmanship can be trained and taught. You will find some skilled teachers there. Well, I think that's about it.
Ah déjà?
You've already been to the Emporium, and I assume to the Eye of the Gods as well. I suggest you speak to the Grandmaster as soon as you're ready to take the oath.
Et vous, qu'allez-vous faire?
Prepare myself, probably. Now walk blessed. I will see you soon.
À bientôt. Parler à Théalor dans l'Emporium. Je sais pas si la forge est encore ouverte, mais ça m'a donné envie d'aller jeter un coup d'œil. Ah, c'est ouvert. Peut-être qu'il n'y a plus personne à cette heure-là. Effectivement, il n'y a plus personne.
This is the swords.
J'entends des gens.
Remember that.
J'ai entendu du monde. Tant pis. Hein. On reviendra demain, quand il fera jour.
absurd.
I don't believe I know. The mercenary, he might not be the shining knight of Castle Starsound, but he's better than most of your men. I want him, and you will need to convince your Truchessa of it.
Is that so? Very well, I will convince her. You will hear from me.
I hope so.
Sure.
Well, look at that. You've actually survived the pointless test. Let's hope those ignorant fools will treat you with more respect than us heretics, although I truly doubt it.
Prophet, good to see you. How do you feel?
Un peu secoué, mais en dehors de ça, bien.
Good. I never doubted you would pass the test. In any case, all that is left to do now is to recite the oath. Then we will finally deal with the more urgent matters.
Sur quoi est-ce que je dois jurer? Les dieux morts? Ma loyauté envers l'ordre?
None of it. You'll see.
Eh ben, quand vous voulez.
The ceremony needs a little preparation. One day at least. Come back then.
Ah, très bien.
Even if it hurts to lose more time. The cleansing approaches. I can feel it. Just this night I had another of the dreams.
Qu'est-ce que vous avez vu?
People I knew, including you. But these people weren't themselves. There was something else, and it spoke through them. They mocked us and said our struggle against the cycle was pointless. It was peculiar.
On a fait le même rêve, j'ai l'impression.
I believe that these beings are connected to the cycle. They must be the ones who cause it.
Ouais, c'est intéressant, j'ai eu le même rêve, les gars. Juste avant de me réveiller dans le curarium.
You did? That is interesting. It must be related to our roles as emissaries. Maybe there is a connection between us.
Peut-être. Est-ce que vous avez une idée de qui ou ce qu'ils sont?
None. Maybe they are demons or magical entities of some kind, but they are different from everything I know. In any case, if they are indeed responsible for the cycle, they are our enemies. That's what matters for now. Come back tomorrow for the ceremony.
Je voulais revenir un peu sur votre histoire. Vous avez été emprisonné très longtemps. Pendant 30 ans, c'est ça?
Yes. Why do you ask?
J'ai du mal à imaginer que 30 années d'emprisonnement n'aient laissé aucune cicatrice.
They did. What are you getting at?
Je voulais juste en apprendre un peu plus sur vous. Vous voulez que j'aie confiance en votre commandement, c'est normal que j'en apprenne un peu plus sur la personne que vous êtes.
A fair point. But in the future, just be upfront. I do not like such veiled remarks. So, yes, my time in the prison was harsh. The hunger, the degradation, to name the most obvious. The worst, however, was the isolation. Ironically enough, that was the last thing I had expected, you know. From all the suffering there is, it seems so banal. But it isn't. You either find ways to cope with it, or it breaks you. Fortunately, I managed to do the former. For me, it was memories of the time before my incarceration, the prospect of what would come after it. They were my window into the outer world, so to speak. They reminded me that I was more than this deprived creature I had become in those dungeons.
J'imagine. Comment ça vous fait d'être à nouveau libre?
Strange. Everything seemed too bright, too unreal. I especially felt that in the cloister with Narazul's mages. I had difficulty talking to other people, and whenever I did, it felt as if the others were like wax figures. Like some cruel joke put in front of my eyes in order to mock me.
Oui, je me disais... Enfin, je suis assez surpris que vous soyez revenu directement dans l'ordre après ce qui s'est passé. Ça fait beaucoup de responsabilités après un tel traumatisme.
What would have been the alternative? A life as a fisherman? If the things I had to live through taught me one thing, then it was how important it is for me to be right here, right now, doing what I do. In fact, this is precisely what is missing in the world. People who do not let the whims of fate break their resolve. Now, enough of this. We have business to attend to.
Pathlessness, wherever you look. Where is
Bah, je vous
this
laisse.
supposed to lead?
Ouais, j'ai envie d'aller un peu explorer. On peut un peu regarder ce qu'il y a. Bon. On va peut-être aller se coucher, hein. Je sais pas quelle heure il est. 3h du matin.
Dark already? Time really does fly by.
Alors, retournons dans le curarium. C'est peut-être les quartiers.
My sir! Wait a moment! Phew. There you are. Here, a letter for you.
D'accord. À une heure aussi tardive. Merci.
Safe travels, and may his light guide you.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc? Mon ami, félicitations pour avoir passé l'épreuve. Vous savez déjà mon opinion sur les capes rouges et leur, disons, attitude supérieure. Mais le fait de ne pas vous féliciter en personne m'empêcherait de dormir. Si vos saintes fonctions vous le permettent, rendez-vous à l'ancienne tour de guet à la porte ouest d'Arc. Cordialement, Jaspar. Oh, Jaspar. On ira demain matin. Comme on a une journée de libre à rien faire. Je sais plus par où on est passé tout à l'heure. Je crois qu'on est sorti de par là. Mais... faudrait peut-être aller se coucher. Hein.
Unreliable. That's what they are.
This is holy ground, Outlander. You
En
do
fait,
not belong here.
je peux me coucher là où je veux, j'ai l'impression.
Yes, it makes sense.
Oups. Voilà, c'est bien.
Blazes, I just can't bloody believe it.
I just don't see the fucking.
Allez.
Thou art my light, my glimmer at the horizon. Thy name is my sacrament.
Je pense que je vais aller taper
and
la
thy
discute
power
avec
I will
Constantin.
honor in life as
Et
in
après, on
death.
retournera dans la ville.
Let's hope he knows what he's doing.
Oh, il y a Lishari. Salut.
Now look at that. It's the Prodigy.
Est-ce que vous avez pu apprendre quoi que ce soit au sujet des mercenaires de l'ancien Rashengrad?
Not much. We haven't yet heard from the keepers old Aranthiel sent overseas, but their armory and weapons seem to belong to an order of mercenaries who normally operate in Nerem or Kira. We'll see.
D'accord.
Move along.
Who are you?
Bah, je suis un gardien, bientôt.
Yes, it makes sense.
Yes. Yes, that just
Is
might
it now?
work.
Remind me not to burst
Magister.
into tears.
Any sense?
Ah, Sharim.
Why can't it ever be easy?
J'ai déjà entendu ce nom. Vajnerinen.
This is holy ground, Outlander. You don't
Walk
belong
blessed.
here.
Est-ce qu'il y a un problème?
Oh, yes. Guess what? There is. Some people just don't get the meaning of the word reliability.
One day, Naya.
De qui parlez-vous?
Huh. You're not from the Order, are you?
Find out more about
Then I wonder what the blazes you're doing here.
what took place shortly
But,
before the
fine.
Rising.
Who am I to reject a helping hand? Elia, the novice who was assigned to me, she's supposed to help me transcribe these Pyrian tomes the Grand Master is so obsessed about. But 2 days ago, she simply vanished.
Oh,
If I were to guess, I'd say she's strolling around enjoying herself somewhere in the nobles' quarter. I'd go look myself, but I'm lucky if I get to breathe within all this work. Go find her and tell her to get her bloody ass up here and help me. If you do that, it won't be to your disadvantage.
d'accord. Pourquoi pas?
Yes.
Ah, c'est lui, Sharim.
Well, well, Naya, isn't that a sight? The one they all talk about has come to visit us. Greetings, Prophet. I'm Juslan Sharim, and, as you might know already, one of the ever-renowned Neramis mages around here. What's your name?
Eh ben, je m'appelle Gatuldar.
Pleased to meet you. And you have Chilean blood in you. That's a rare sight around these parts. But anyway, what brings you to me? Do you need anything specific? Or do you just want to talk?
Oh bah, je voulais juste parler. J'ai entendu dire que vous en saviez beaucoup sur la magie. Comment elle fonctionne d'après vous?
What, are you asking me to teach you? From what I've heard, you know magic as if you've studied it for centuries. But sure, why not? What do you want to know?
J'ai l'impression qu'on gêne. Bon, peu importe. Oula, mais ça m'intéresse pas du tout. Oui, qui est cette Naya dont vous parlez tout le temps?
Someone asks about you, darling. Isn't that charming? Most people are too polite to. But I'm afraid I can't satisfy your curiosity, at least not today. Let's just say that there are more things between life and death than what meets the eye.
D'accord. Vous êtes Kiranien, n'est-ce pas?
Well observed. I'm a child of the sand, a vassal of the Golden Queen, or whichever other nickname these idiotic people around here have for us.
D'accord. Comment avez-vous échoué dans l'ordre de Narazul Aranteal? Kira et Nerim ne sont pas vraiment à deux pas l'un de l'autre.
That's a long story, and no offense, one I rather wouldn't share. I'm not a friend of wearing my heart on the sleeve. Suffice to say that I, as most of the Order, have had bad experiences with the reign of the Lightborn.
Comme beaucoup,
Didn't
j'ai
we,
l'impression.
Naya?
Bon, bah je vous embête pas plus longtemps. Je voulais voir Constantin. Ah, bonjour.
Well, look at that. You've actually survived the pointless test. Let's hope those ignorant fools will treat you with more respect than us heretics, although I truly doubt it.
Dites-moi un peu plus sur l'histoire de votre ordre. Qui êtes-vous exactement et comment êtes-vous né?
Oh, do you really need me to answer that? Just take a look around. There are all sorts of great historical writings on us here. we're a bunch of bloodthirsty heretics who followed Tenor Aranthiel's deluded son into the war against the gods, who gloriously defeated us in the Battle of Zaramar. Naratzul was locked into an old tower, and those of us who remained cowardly fled into the Nerimese mountains, and have since then terrorized and plotted against the poor people of the civilized world by all means necessary. Oh, and did I forget to mention that we eat babies for breakfast? Well, now I have.
D'accord. J'ai touché un point sensible.
Sorry. I suppose I just shouldn't have read that much Endralean literature on the subject. If there's someone who deserves an award for biased misrepresentation of the facts, it's the buffoons who run this place.
Votre ordre a combattu les êtres de lumière, non? Comment vous sentez maintenant qu'on raconte qu'ils sont morts?
Quite some questions you're asking there, lad. But why not? You're not one of those god lambs, so where's the harm in telling you? Yes, the Lightborn are dead, killed by the Shadowborn. But truth be told, too little has changed for us to feel any different. If that makes sense.
Trop peu de changements. Il y a des guerres dans tout vide maintenant. Pensez ne serait-ce qu'à Nerim.
Yes, but that's because the Lightborn have left a power vacuum, and everybody feels obliged to fill it himself. Plus, there's the cycle, which seems to drive people into violence. I'm talking about grand-scale changes, such as in the way we think. To know that gods can be killed, that there is no other power in life than life itself. That has to do something with people, doesn't it? Well, bullshit. Just look around Enderal. The most religious country of all, and yet people act as if nothing has happened. All it needs is some fancily dressed up clergyman to tell them that the rumors are false, and they swallow it like mulled wine and go on about their business. It's depressing.
Oui, j'avais remarqué. Au-delà de l'ordre, la mort des êtres de lumière semble n'avoir eu aucun impact. Mais comment vous expliquez ça?
Well, I've been thinking about that. I suppose it's because the Lightborn's reign has always lived from people believing them to be divine, rather than actually being it. If that makes sense. They're more like symbols.
Ouais. Et vous avez aidé à détruire ces symboles. Vous le regrettez?
Regret? Far from it. The gods were tyrants, and they robbed mankind of their right to self-determination. Regardless of the consequences, what we enabled the Shadow God to do was the right thing to do.
Les mages en robe verte du temple, c'est la totalité de votre ordre?
We'd be a pretty pathetic order if that was all of us, wouldn't we? No, only a handful of us came here. Let's just say the others weren't as thrilled by the idea of joining forces with our arch-enemies, especially if it's just to fight some phantasm, as they put it.
Ouais. Oui, vous parlez du cycle. Alors, ils pensent que c'est pas réel?
Not all of them. No.
Pourquoi? Ils n'ont pas fait ces rêves eux aussi?
Most did, but they didn't connect the dots. Or, which is more likely, didn't want to. And yes, I am frustrated to see that much ignorance in our own ranks. But those who matter are here. That's important.
De quelle région de Nerim vous venez exactement?
Oh, that's hard to tell. Most of the time I was with Narathzul's order in the Kabet Mountains. But when I was younger, I used to travel a lot, not only in Nerim. What about you? Which idiots did you have the misfortune to be raised by? The foolhardy rebels up north? The bootlicking pawns of the Chancellor in the Middle Realm? Or the fanatic, mask-wearing cultist oafs down south?
Eh bien, les derniers. Ostian, pour être précis.
Ostian, I see. A beautiful piece of earth, actually. But these sodding cultists and their creator have done their best to make it a living nightmare. Truth be told, it was them who made me join Narathzul's fight against religion back in the days. I was a young traveling arcanist then, and wanted to make some money in Ostien's arena. Fight some rabid animals, oh, you know the story.
Vraiment, j'ai du mal à vous imaginer comme ça.
South, and imagined a place at the pulse of life, exotic music, adventure, beautiful women. But you know who greeted me when I reached the city gates?
Qui?
Corpses.
Ah oui.
They burnt their skin off and then nailed them to crosses. There were at least 50 of them. Men, women, children. And they were set up at the roadside like trees in an alley. It was atrocious. The smell of burnt meat everywhere. The screams of those who still lived, and all of it only because some fool has decided that they had somehow acted against their god. I still dream of it sometimes. Well, that was when I declared war on religion. I was so sick of seeing people cutting each other's throats only because they project their own personal problems into some holy scripture or higher power. And that's not even the worst part. They're beyond reason. Why are you doing this, I asked them. Because my God told me to. What's left to say there? You can essentially justify anything with that logic. This is why this place makes me sick. We need the Order's manpower. They need our knowledge about the Piraeans, and we both do want the same thing, yes. But philosophy and freedom of thought are nowhere to be found. It's pathetic.
Je crois qu'on avait déjà eu cette conversation. Bon, je vais vous laisser. Mhm. Le magister Ragon a perdu son assistante, la novice Elia. Selon lui, personne ne l'a vue au temple depuis 2 jours. Elle est probablement dans le quartier noble ou les baraquements. D'accord, bon, on va aller la chercher. De toute façon, on n'a rien à faire pendant une journée. Ah, Elia. C'est le magister Ragon qui m'envoie. Il a besoin de vous au temple.
Good for him.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Vous allez bien?
No, I'm perfectly fine. This is a grave, and I'm kneeling in front of it. I couldn't be better. I'm sorry. You didn't deserve that. I don't know whether I'm coming or going.
À qui est cette tombe?
My sister, Kadia. She... I don't know if you've heard about it, but there was this incident in the temple. The Red Madness.
C'est à cause du magister Hierro?
And you've heard about it. My sister. She was a novice, just as I am. And she...
They just sit on their asses and hope things settle themselves. Idiots.
You know, she met this boy. He was only of the manufacturer's path, and neither our parents nor the Holy Order would have approved. She wanted to leave the city with him. Travel the lands. Just like in the Bard songs. I called her a fool. I told her that it was our path to serve the Order, and that leaving here would be a sin. 3 days later, it happened. She sat in the first row in Europe.
You're here.
You know.
Well, isn't this a pleasant surprise?
Vous vous blâmez pour sa mort, hein.
You say it as if it were far-fetched. But it is my fault.
Non, non, non.
Without me, she would be with that boy in Duneville. Building a new life.
Bah non, c'est pas ta faute si elle est morte.
It is my fault she was in the lecture that day. No matter how I twist and turn it. This is how it is.
You must be jesting.
I'm afraid I am not.
Personne n'aurait pu prévoir tout ça. Si quelqu'un est à blâmer, c'est la folie pourpre. Ou Hiro lui-même.
Easy for you to say. Anyway, I should go back to the temple. Thank you for your words. Walk blessed.
Je vous en prie.
Anyway, duty calls. I will see you soon. You must come by and have a cup of tea.
Oh, une prison. Haute terre. Forgeron.
Yes.
Ces épées sont à vendre?
They are, but only to members of the Order. Sorry. I'm sure the Smiths at the marketplace are willing to sell you something, though.
Mais je suis presque membre de l'ordre. J'en reviendrai.
Well met.
Bon. Baraquement militaire. Ah, c'est Elia.
Thy name is my sacrament.
Mm-hmm.
I will honor in life as in death.
Plein de jolies fleurs ici. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Tour de Hiro. Oh. Oh attends, peut-être que ça ouvre ça. Oh, mais oui. Fer à cheval. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire de ça? Nécessite une clé. Chambre secrète. Ah, ça l'ouvre. Donc on a trouvé à conserver la clé de Hiro. Excellent. Comme quoi ça paye d'explorer. Oh. On va devoir s'équiper. Potion. Je sais pas trop. Qu'est-ce que je peux prendre? J'ai pas de potion de santé. C'est con. Allez. Aïe aïe aïe. Aïe 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 aïe. Très très mauvaise idée tout ça. On va pas s'en sortir. Et merde. Potion de protection foudre. Voilà, voilà, voilà. Restauration de santé. Restauration de santé. Résistant. Résistance à la foudre. Oh mais merde! On n'y arrivera pas. Je suis sûr qu'on peut y arriver, mais... Et je voulais prendre l'arc. Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? Merde, c'est pas ça que je voulais prendre. Je sais pas si c'est ça que je voulais faire. Allez, allez, meurs. Oh, merde, merde, merde. Il s'enfuit. On a peut-être une chance. Non, il y en a un autre. Ah, c'est mort. Il n'y arrivera pas. Bon, c'est trop dur. On reviendra une autre fois. On va tout ce temps pour rien. Ce sera un épisode où il se passe pas grand chose. Who are you? Ah, Ragon. Elia revient au temple. Elle était au cimetière et pleurait sa sœur, pour tout vous dire.
Of course, her sister. I completely forgot. Oh, Hero, you damned old fool. I guess I should be lenient with her. Here, I think I owe you this for your time. Now, excuse me. We have a lot to do here.
On est bien payé. On devrait peut-être faire plus de quêtes secondaires. Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Je n'en sais rien. J'ai quoi comme quête? On peut acheter un titre de propriété. Retrouver Gespard, oui. Hein. L'art du combat. Ah oui. Regardez pourquoi la galerie d'Arc doit bientôt fermer. Oui, on peut aller voir. On s'en fout. Ok.
My Sir Delina.
Faut pas laisser traîner ses affaires. Hein.
Monsieur?
My sir?
An outlander. What are you doing in this part of the city? Shouldn't you be, I don't know, somewhere else? Keep walking.
Ok, excusez-moi.
What?
My sir?
Oh. Ça a du bon d'être un explorateur. Oh, l'épée, je peux la vendre. Place du marché. Faut qu'on trouve la banque. Acheter un chez Silren et Associés. Marché aux viandes. Ah, la banque. Ok, c'est en face. Ça, c'est une auberge. Marché aux viandes. Je suis con, je l'ai vu. C'est ça la banque? Bonjour.
Walk blessed, my sir. How can Silren and friends serve you today? Would you like to open a personal vault? Or perhaps even acquire an estate?
Un coffre personnel?
A ledger. Your very own safe in our house, which we will manage on your behalf. We will meticulously track all your deposits and withdrawals, and best of all, thanks to our very generous interest rates, the longer you entrust your money with us, the more it proliferates on its own.
J'ai jamais aimé les banques, de toute façon. Ça m'inspire pas confiance, tout ça. Oui. Comment mon argent peut-il gagner en intérêt?
Well, evidently this was a metaphor. Just imagine that for every day your money rests in our vaults, we present you with some extra coin on top of it, as in appreciation for your trust, so to speak.
Et vous faites ça avec votre capital? Comment est-ce que c'est rentable pour vous?
Well, you see, this is a highly complicated process, and I fear it would be a matter of near impossibility to elucidate my response in such a fashion that you would be capable of comprehending it with your, I beg your pardon, most likely quite limited intellectual capabilities.
D'accord.
Let us talk about more enjoyable matters instead, such as your money.
Oui, mon argent. Écoutez, si vous voulez mon argent, vous devez me dire ce que vous en faites.
Fine then. We use it to trade.
Ah. Donc, vous négociez avec l'argent de vos clients.
We invest. For example, in promising expeditions on new trade routes. And from the returns those investments yield, we not only pay our employees, but your interest as well.
D'accord.
Now, don't you look at me that way. We have to make a living somehow too.
Qu'est-ce qui arrive à mon argent si vos placements se révèlent être des erreurs?
Banks do not make mistakes. Didn't your parents teach you this?
Non.
Now enough of this nonsense and back to business. Do you want to open a gold shelf or not?
Non.
Walk blessed. And don't
Par
forget
contre,
your money is safe with Silren.
je voudrais acquérir une propriété.
Of course.
Oh, oula, il y a plein de maisons en fait. Non, il y en a que 2. Oh, mais c'est super cher. C'est super cher. Par contre, on a une collection de plans à 26 pièces. Livre sur la rhétorique. Quoi? Attends, mais... La rhétorique? Quoi? Fabriquer des amphores. Un atelier d'alchimie dans Shonen. What the fuck? Mais on peut fabriquer plein de trucs. Des mannequins d'entraînement. Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc? J'ai jamais vu ça. Bon, la collection de plans, on va la prendre. Et la rhétorique... J'aimerais bien voir ce que c'est. On va en acheter 2. Bon, bah au revoir.
Walk blessed! And don't forget, your money is safe with Sylvan and friends.
Oui.
Exceedingly safe. Leave me.
Au revoir. D'accord. Ok. Donc la rhétorique, ça peut être utile. La maison nériméenne des Bodenbruck recherche Max Belsan. Après avoir simulé sa mort en Nérim, il s'est enfui en Enderal et a été aperçu dans une ferme près du port d'Arc. Oh, 10 000. Oh là 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 là. Ça vaut le coup.
Walk blessed, my friend.
Sir?
You look disheartened. And I have just the right thing for you. A visit to our gallery. Dozens of beautiful paintings by different artists, each of them a treat for the eye.
Oui, pourquoi pas.
Come now, for tomorrow you may not have a chance. No, I thought so. Then have a nice day.
Non, mais non, je veux bien. Ouais, vous semblez pas très motivé.
Well, probably because I'm not. My husband thinks running around the city and talking to every peasant who crosses my path will help us get our gallery running again. But that's just idiotic.
Quand vous dites demain, vous pourriez ne pas avoir cette chance. Est-ce que ça veut dire que votre galerie ne va pas très bien?
That's one way to put it. Truth be told, if the Golden Sickle doesn't decide to leave a barrel full of coin on our doorstep tomorrow, we won't be able to pay rent much longer. Especially now that my esteemed mother has decided to play hermit. Wow. Listen to me. A month ago, I would have been too proud to admit this. Now I shouted at a complete stranger.
Et qu'est-ce que votre mère a à voir avec tout ça?
She's a painter. Our best-selling painter, to be precise.
Ah.
Some people even came from other countries to see your portraits. At least before the war.
Et enfin, je m'y connais pas du tout, mais qu'est-ce qui rend ces tableaux si spéciaux?
It's hard to describe. She's portrayed half of Ark's nobility by now. At least that's what it feels like. And she does it. The paintings are just so... intense. I don't know how else to put it. That's why people are willing to pay a fortune for them. It's crazy if you think about it.
Ouais, un peu. Qu'est-ce que vous entendez par jouer à l'ermite?
Well, what I said. For months, she's not reacted to our letter, nor sent one herself. And what's worse, she hasn't sent us any new paintings. Which is one of the reasons why this place isn't going so well. And in case you wonder why we just don't visit her, my mother was always a little... special. And where she resides reflects that. The Dark Valley.
Sombreval? Vous savez quoi? Il m'arrive de voyager pas mal. Peut-être qu'un jour, si je passe à Sombreval, je pourrais aller voir si votre mère va bien.
You do that. That's... quite the offer, to be honest. A word of warning in advance. I cannot pay you. That is, unless you're interested in a painting from Prince Myth. But I warn you, they're as bad as his poems.
Peut-être que votre mère pourrait me... Non. Ne vous en faites pas, comme je l'ai dit, je bouge beaucoup. Et c'est juste un petit détour.
A little detour in a place swarming with undead eager for your blood.
Ah,
Right.
ça je
I
savais
hope you know
pas.
what you're doing. I really do. But still, I guess I'm too selfish to decline your offer.
J'ai pas dit que j'y allais
It's
tout
worth
de
a
suite.
try. My mother and I, we don't exactly have a good relationship. But still, I need to know she's all right. You said you travel a lot, so you have a map with you, right?
Oui.
Show me. So there you go. That's where her hut should be, at least approximately. Good luck, and thanks.
Je vous en prie. On n'aurait pas visité cet endroit? Ah, c'est possible. Quartier sud, effectivement. Ah, musée. Ah, c'est là la tour de Mirade. Bon, allons voir le musée. Mais c'est excellent. Ce célèbre luth et cette flûte, non moins célèbres, ont appartenu au troubadour et ménestrel Grégor Casanovo, Gorgedor. L'on raconte que plusieurs femmes infidèles ont trompé leur vieux barbon avec ce bel homme. Trop bien. Ingens dorsipina angui sensorem. En langue vernaculaire, cela se traduit par gros aileron dorsal dentelé aux antennes de serpent. C'est un petit spécimen de femelle dont le compagnon a été aperçu par Perceval de Bosquerie. Des semaines après que l'aileron s'est échoué sur le rivage, ses antennes suintaient encore de poison mortel. Selon la légende, le grand monarque Radovitson III fut empoisonné par un extrait de ce venin par sa fiancée, Sibylla Rocaerne, parce qu'elle ne supportait plus sa mauvaise haleine.
Hello.
A visitor. Take your time, look around.
Wow. Vous avez beaucoup de visiteurs?
Can't you tell? The floorboards can barely stand the pressure.
Je vois pas grand monde. Hein.
Jokes aside, look around. We do not. In the old days, people cared more for the history of our country. But since this Red Madness thing and Arantheel's return, the number of visitors has sadly declined steadily.
Je vois pas trop le rapport avec Arantheal.
That's just how it is.
Bon, je vais jeter un coup d'œil. C'est l'une des premières statues qui montre le vénérable, illuminé et compatissant Melphas. Les fameuses représentations de notre Seigneur ont été créées d'après les premiers croquis de Jégur Soufflebord. Donc Malphas avec le symbole du Saint-Ordre ici. Mais c'est tout petit ce musée. Vos capacités de crochetage sont trop basses pour voir, hein. Mais je voulais pas l'ouvrir. Je voulais juste examiner. Attends, qu'est-ce que j'observe là? C'est bien ça. Concentrateur d'énergie. Les derniers restes des concentrateurs d'énergie connus sont considérés comme des artefacts de la plus haute importance. Ils abritent des pensées et des expériences sous forme de fibres énergétiques qui tournent à haute vitesse. Pour les tirer du concentrateur, il vous faut un équivalent que vous devez trouver. D'accord.
I really need that new herbal essence for my hair.
Ah, mais il y a d'autres trucs. Bon, un arc. Ça, on en trouve dans les temples. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ici repose le vaillant et aimable comte d'Al Gremlin d'Ilitas. Il ne dirigeait que quelques îles, mais sa réputation le précédait. Il était bon envers ses esclaves et sa parole était fiable. Tout noble devrait le prendre comme exemple. Bizarre d'être enterré dans un musée. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Les fragments d'une antique civilisation récupérés dans les ruines. Ils nous rappellent des temps passés où ils s'étaient fabriqués à partir de pierres tendres avec effort et talent. Note, les cristaux n'ont grandi qu'après que ces trouvailles ont été exposées ici. On dirait qu'ils tirent leur luminosité et leur vitalité de la tablette de pierre. Ah d'accord. Intéressant. Modèle en cire d'un errant, mort-vivant. Moi je suppose que c'est marrant les projecteurs. Bon bah un peu petit comme musée mais sympa, ça va. Non ouais, ça va. Bah, je comprends pourquoi il n'y a plus personne qui vient au musée. Si l'ensemble de la population y est déjà allé, ils ont fait le tour quoi. Ouais. Dans une ferme près du port d'Arc. Allons au port. Max Belsan. Bon, je suppose que ça va pas être facile de trouver, mais... Non. C'est indiqué comme ça. Bah d'accord. Ah. Que ta marche soit bénie, Max Belsan. Conformément à notre accord, en signe de gratitude, nous t'accordons l'asile dans notre étable près d'Arc. Quand l'hiver viendra, tu pourras trouver refuge à la dernière garde d'Arc, près de la côte des fermiers. C'est un poste avancé, abandonné du Saint-Ordre, érigé pour défendre le col contre les envahisseurs de Talgarde. L'Ordre ne l'utilise que plus depuis des années. D'accord. Bon. Où est-ce que ça nous emmène tout ça? Ah, c'est loin. C'est loin. Je me disais que c'était trop facile s'il se trouvait dans le port. Salut, j'espère.
There you are. Glad you made it. So, how was it? I heard quite some stories about this trial, and was never sure what to make of it.
Eh ben, c'était très différent, assez différent de ce que j'imaginais. Mais comment ça se fait que vous êtes encore là? Je pensais que vous deviez partir pour killer.
Yeah, I changed my mind. Come, let's go upstairs. It'll be worth it.
D'accord, je suis.
There we are. So, wine or pipe?
Alors, la pipe.
Chilean Sweetwater tobacco. 100 times better than what they smoke here. Consider it a congratulatory gift for passing the trial.
C'est génial. Très très belle soirée en perspective. Excellent.
Nothing better than a good pipe and a nice sight to go along with it. It's always sad to see how few people can truly appreciate these things. Anyway, tell me, my friend, what is it that drives you? I've been asking that myself since we met. I mean, it's not like anyone's forcing you to play errand boy for Orenthiel, is there? And with your abilities, you could make a fortune as a mercenary. Not to mention the danger you put yourself in. Securing the excavation site, passing the trial, they certainly haven't been easy on you so far.
C'est clair. Mais si cette purge est réelle, on est tous dans le même bateau et je me verrai pas rester assis à rien faire. Je peux largement aider à la combattre.
Makes sense. In any case, it's interesting to see how you've gotten from being a magically gifted refugee to the center of all this. Kind of reminds me of a woman I used to travel with, Alicia. No matter where she went, she always ended up in the eye of the storm.
Et comment vous êtes retrouvé à voyager avec elle?
We got hired for the same job. Usually I work better on my own, but this partnership was refreshing in every aspect. It felt good to know someone's got your back for a change, especially with the kind of work I do. Which is why we decided to stick together after that first job. And it went great, at least initially. She just cared too much, you know? Yeah, she was a mercenary, but she only ever picked the jobs where she thought she could help people, or at least do no damage.
Bah, c'est quelqu'un de bien.
Imagine that doesn't always work out in my profession, and whenever it didn't, she really took it to heart. It was sad, if you think about it, really.
Je suppose que vous étiez en couple.
We traveled together and we had sex, so yes, according to most people's definition of it, we were a couple.
Et vous avez travaillé combien de temps ensemble?
That was, let me think, about 3 years. Yeah, we went to Araziel, Kira, Arkwend.
Ah oui.
And one time we even fought a group of Petrified on Lille. She fought as ardently as she lived. I don't know how I would have survived that fight without her.
Mais ce que je comprends pas trop, c'est si elle voulait aider, pourquoi elle est devenue mercenaire? Elle aurait pu faire quelque chose d'autre.
Oh, several reasons. First of all, she was primarily a traveling healer, and used the money she got from those jobs to sustain herself. Secondly, Lycia wasn't all selflessness. She wanted to help people, yeah, but she also wanted to make experiences,
Ouais.
I guess. Live like an eagle, love like a madman, and dream like a god. A bit cheesy, yeah, but that was her credo.
Et pourquoi vous êtes séparés?
Well, we were simply too different. I guess that's what it comes down to. Let's face it, I'm a pathetic white knight, and an even worse world savior. Lycia and I, we were just bound to clash. We were lovers, then friends, then lovers again, and so on and so forth. Ultimately, that was just too much for me. Too extreme. Too absorbing.
Bah ouais, vous étiez pas sur la même longueur d'onde. Elle, je pense qu'elle voulait quelque chose de sérieux.
Love as she defined it, yeah. Had it been for her, we would have married after that first night.
Mais vous, qu'est-ce que vous vouliez?
That's a long story. Not one that puts me in a favorable light. At least if you're like most people. Let's save that for another time.
Donc vous êtes putain. Donc vous vous êtes séparés, c'est ça?
Split up. Yeah, that's one way to put it. But anyway, enough about me. What about you? Has there ever been someone in your life? Or have you always been the lone wolf?
Ouais, autrefois.
I see. Maybe you can tell me about that one day. I'd love to hear it. I, for one, have had enough drama to last me a lifetime. Sex is fine, but I guess I'm just not naive enough for anything else anymore. Love, love, love. People have such wrong-headed expectations, really. Sometimes I think it would help us all to finally admit that there isn't that much that separates us from the apes. Anyway, why don't you tell me a little more about this trial? I heard you passed it together with that quiet girl, Kalia. What's she like? I've heard some stories about her. That's just life, I think. There comes a point when you've done all you can. My. We've certainly lost track of time, haven't we? I really need to hit the hay for a couple hours now. I'll have to go look for some new work tomorrow. And I've heard about a nobleman who's looking for a sellsword. That is, if Arenthiel or old Bushybeard doesn't have a new job for me by then. Say what you want about them, their pay is beyond generous. I'll see you around, my friend.
Eh ben, à bientôt, j'espère. J'ai pas pu profiter de ma pipe. Je vais rester un petit peu. Et avec le casque sur la gueule. Attends. On va enlever le casque. Ça fait pas beau. Il va être minuit bientôt. Ouais, je pense que on va rentrer se coucher. Bon, encore une fois, on n'aura pas fait grand chose durant cet épisode. Mais je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là quand même. Moi, ça fait pas mal de temps que je tourne là, que j'enregistre. Bah, je vous dis merci d'être resté jusqu'au bout. Je vous donne rendez-vous dans le prochain épisode. À bientôt. Le grand maître Théalor a besoin de temps pour préparer la cérémonie de l'exaltation. Cette cérémonie, en l'honneur de Kalia et moi, nous permettra de devenir officiellement des gardiens du Saint-Ordre. Pendant une journée, j'ai pu vaquer à mes occupations. La ville d'Arc est grande et pleine de surprises. Dans la soirée, j'ai reçu une lettre de Gespard, qui m'a donné rendez-vous à la tour de garde sud. Je pensais que ses obligations l'avaient fait quitter Enderal, mais malgré tout, il a souhaité rester pour aider le Saint-Ordre dans sa tâche. Nous nous sommes retrouvés la nuit pour fumer une pipe et discuter. Il semblerait que notre collaboration ne se finisse pas de sitôt. Ce sera bien sûr un grand plaisir.